Today, I'm using products from Chantecaille to create a natural sun-kissed glow. Massage Rose de Mai face cream into the face with your hands. I follow that with Rose de Mai face oil, massaging it gently into the skin. Using Camouflage Stylo under the eyes, around the nose, and on the chin before foundation allows it to come through as a natural highlight. I apply foundation on the center of the face outwards, and I add more when needed. Using a bouncing motion with your brush will give you more coverage. This gives you a natural application, a sheer, real look. I use Radiance Gel Bronzer in small circular motions on the high points of the face. This creates the most natural looking tan. I use the sculpting brush to apply blush to the cheekbones. I use a little bit more than you'd think because I'm going to go over it with foundation. I use any excess product on the foundation brush to gently blend the blush into the face. This creates a natural looking, come from within glow. I'm using the highlight part of La Sirena bronzer to highlight above the lips and the inner corner of the eyes. Using rose gold eyeshadow, one of my favorites, I apply to the entire lid up into the crease. I bring it around under the lashes. I'm using Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara, working it into the root and combing it through. I like to leave the end with less product for a more feathery look. Using Full Brow Perfecting Gel in brown, I brush the brows upwards for a natural brow. I use my finger to press Moabi lip veil onto the lips. As a final step, I spray pure rose water on the sides of the face to give a dewy glow. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.